Dalton's atomic theory.
The salient features of this theory.
Each element is composed of extremely small particles called atoms. Atoms of a particular element are all alike, but they differ from atoms of other elements. Atoms are indestructible, that is, they can neither be destroyed nor created. Atoms of various elements take part in a chemical reaction to form a molecule. Atoms of different elements combine in fixed ratio of small whole numbers to form compound atoms, now called molecules. John Dalton invented symbols for the atoms of the elements. He used these symbols to write formulae for compounds: water, ammonia, carbonic oxide, nitrous oxide,
Carbon dioxide,
carbureted hydrogen.